Today, we'll be delving into the essential steps to streamline your sales operations and enhance efficiency by building a personalized configure, price, quote, CPQ solution within Zoho CRM. From creating and managing quotes to seamlessly integrating Zoho Writer templates with Zoho Sign for document signing and automating invoice generation in Zoho Books, this guide will empower you to optimize your sales workflow and provide a tailored experience for your customers. There are 7 parts to this video, so feel free to stop the video at any point to make sure that you can follow along. If you want to follow along using our guide, check out the link in the description. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your sales process with Zoho CRM. Part 1. Creating quotes in Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM comes equipped with a user-friendly and powerful quote creation feature. Let's go through the steps to generate a quote within Zoho CRM. Step 2. Provide a subject for the quote and select a deal name, account name, and other quote details. Step 3. Proceed to add quoted items by clicking on the option to add products or create new products using the New Product button. Provide the necessary details, such as the product name, unit price, and other pertinent information. Step 4. Once you have added all the products, save the changes by selecting Save and Associate. You can add additional products using the Add Row option. Step 5. Finally, click on the Save button to save the quote. Part 2. Exporting quotes in a CSV file. To generate a Zoho Writer template integrated with Zoho Sign, we'll need to export a CSV file containing your quotes data in Zoho CRM. Here's how you can do it. Step 2. Choose Quotes as the export module and click on the Export option to initiate the exportation of your CSV file containing the quotes data. Next, we'll generate a custom template utilizing data extracted from the Quotes module of Zoho CRM. This will allow us to send quotes to our customers for review and confirmation. Part 3. Creating a Zoho Writer template with Zoho Sign integration from Zoho CRM data. Step 2. Provide a name for your template, then click on Options and navigate to Automation. From this point, select a data source for your Zoho Writer template. Since Zoho CRM only supports data integration from specific modules, we'll import a CSV file to integrate the template with Quotes module data. Step 3. Manage the fields accordingly and populate the template with quote fields. Once done, click on Preview Merge to preview the document. Step 4. Proceed to choose an output. For our specific purpose, opt for Merge Send for Sign Collection. Input the required signer detail, including the signer's email, name, and other relevant information. Assign your document's name and click Save to complete the process. Part 4. Sending quotes for customer signature and tracking progress. With the template ready, we can now send quotes to customers for signature and track the progress. Step 2. Once the merge is initiated, click on View Log to monitor the progress of the document sent for signing. Step 3. The signer will receive an email. Proceed to the document and complete the signing process. Step 4. On the View Log page, you can refresh the log to obtain updates regarding your document sent for signing. The status will be displayed as completed, confirming that the signer has successfully signed the document. Part 5. Automating invoice generation in Zoho Books from Zoho CRM Quotes. To automate the invoice creation process in Zoho Books, we'll employ workflow rules along with custom functions within Zoho CRM. Step 2. Create a new rule and define the execution criteria for this workflow. Step 4. Create a custom function for this workflow rule. Copy and paste the provided code into the function. Step 5. Configure the function with the necessary arguments, including the quote ID, and save it. Step 6. Save the function and finalize the workflow rule. Part 6. Obtaining auth token and organization ID for custom function. Step 1. Obtain the organization ID from Zoho Books. Step 2. Register a new client to obtain the client ID and client secret. Step 3. Generate a code using your client information. Step 4. Use Postman to create a POST link for generating the auth token. Step 5. Copy the access token from the response and paste it into your custom function, then save it. Part 7. Putting it all together. Step 1. Finalize the workflow by editing the custom function. Step 2. Test the workflow custom.
And there you have it. By following these steps, you can streamline your sales operations and provide a seamless experience for your customers using Zoho CRM. Remember, automation is key to optimizing your sales workflow and saving time.